Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. We're talking about AI today and how shifting your perspective on it can literally transform you into the most indispensable person in your department. Look, there's so much noise out there about artificial intelligence right now, but today we're cutting straight through the hype. We're going to focus on what actually matters for your career growth and how you can harness this tech to your absolute advantage.
Here is our roadmap for today. First up, the reality of the AI workplace. Then, why data literacy is key, followed by leveraging AI tools and building an AI mindset. Finally, we'll cover overcoming challenges and wrap up with a concrete AI action plan.
So, let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI workplace reality. Now, you're probably wondering the exact same thing everyone else is. Will AI replace my job? It's a burning question, right? It's causing anxiety everywhere. But as ambitious professionals, we really need to flip this script. We have to reframe this fear into a massive opportunity. Because honestly, how you answer this question is going to dictate your entire career trajectory.
There's this huge myth floating around that AI is just going to wipe out human jobs entirely. But the reality is completely different. AI is here to augment your capabilities, not replace you. It operates on algorithms. It completely lacks conscious thought and emotional intelligence. Think of it as a collaborator, not competition. It's designed to handle all that mundane, repetitive stuff so you can step up and handle the high-level strategy.
Which brings us to Section 2, data literacy is key.
To really make this collaboration work, you don't need to be some hardcore software engineer. Not at all. You just need data literacy. That essentially means having the ability to read, work with, analyze, and communicate with data to pull out meaningful insights. It's just knowing how to ask the data the right questions, understanding the context, and confidently explaining it to your team. And a big part of that is understanding machine learning. At its core, machine learning is just a subset of AI that allows systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed to do so. It processes vast amounts of information, learning from examples, finding hidden patterns, or just through trial and error. Grasping these basics gives you a serious edge in figuring out exactly what AI can solve for your department. And when you mix data literacy with a solid grasp of machine learning, you literally become a magnet for career opportunities and visibility. You become that rare, highly sought-after person who can bridge the gap between raw, overwhelming data and actual actionable business strategy.
Moving right along to Section 3, leveraging AI tools. Let's look at some real-world impact, because this isn't just theory. Take Sarah in marketing, for instance. She used AI-driven analytics to massively boost her campaign engagement. Or James, a project manager who optimized his workflows and actually hit deadlines using AI software. And Maya, a data analyst who drove strategic choices using predictive machine learning insights. They're all automating the busy work to become the strategic visionaries their teams need.
So what's the benefit for you? Well, automating processes drastically reduces human error and streamlines all those repetitive, data-heavy tasks. Plus, it enhances decision-making by using predictive analytics to forecast outcomes, which strips out subjective biases. You can achieve all this using everyday tools like advanced Excel, Power BI, or Python. You're basically turning raw numbers into a sharp analytical edge.
Next up, Section 4, building an AI mindset.
Because all the tools in the world won't help without the right approach. As the saying goes, while AI can process vast amounts of information quickly, it lacks human intuition and emotional intelligence. That really grounds us, doesn't it? AI can crunch the numbers all day long, but it needs you, your empathy, your intuition, your human mind, to apply those numbers to real team dynamics.
To thrive here, you need to cultivate curiosity, embrace continuous learning, and remain highly adaptable to change. This tech evolves literally every single day. If you stay curious, you're not just going to keep up, you're going to be the one leading the charge in integrating AI into your workflows before anyone else even catches on.
Of course, it's not always easy. That brings us to Section 5, overcoming AI challenges.
When you're dealing with all this data, ethical considerations are absolutely crucial. We're talking about addressing and preventing algorithmic bias, ensuring data privacy, and securing informed consent, and strongly advocating for inclusive data practices and transparency. Flawed data means a flawed business output. Championing these ethical standards protects your company and really positions you as a responsible, forward-thinking leader.
Now, you will inevitably face pushback. It's the classic battle, fear of the unknown versus proactive upskilling.
Instead of letting your team give in to the fear of job displacement, use this as an opportunity to step up. Upskill yourself, share your wins, network, and prove to the skeptics that AI is a powerful ally, not a threat.
Let's wrap this up with Section 6, your AI action plan. It's time to get practical with SMART goals. First, be specific. Define the exact skills you want to learn. Second, make it measurable. Track your project hours or module completions. Third, ensure it's achievable. Align it with your existing skills. Fourth, it must be relevant. Match it to what your department actually needs. And finally, make it time-bound. Set firm deadlines. This ensures your ambition turns into actual, trackable progress.
Next, start building your portfolio. Select diverse, high-quality AI projects. Make sure to carefully document the specific problem and your unique approach. Include tangible metrics and outcomes, because numbers speak volumes to leadership. And always highlight any cross-functional collaboration. A dynamic portfolio like this is the ultimate proof of your value when it's time to ask for a promotion.
Ultimately, the future of work belongs to those willing to learn. The tools are right there waiting for you. So are you going to sit back and let the AI revolution just happen to you? Or are you going to grab it and write your own career success story? What will you build first? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Now get out there and make some waves.